Dealing with business finance doesn't have to be complicated. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to streamline your company's money management, you've likely heard of Qonto. But what exactly is included in a Qonto business account? Let's break down the key features that make it a comprehensive financial tool. At its core, Qonto provides you with a professional, online business account, complete with a local European IBAN for easy transfers. Forget the endless trips to the bank. Account opening is fast and entirely digital. One of the biggest time savers is their powerful suite of smart financial tools. This isn't just a bank account, it's a finance hub. Every Qonto account includes payment cards, typically a physical MasterCard, plus the option for virtual cards for secure online purchases. You get instant SEPA transfers and can handle international payments, making global business much simpler. For managing expenses and bookkeeping, Qonto truly shines. You can issue cards to your team members with customizable spending limits, giving you granular control. The app allows you to instantly digitize receipts simply by taking a picture, automatically linking them to the correct transaction, a huge win for tax preparation. And speaking of accounting, Qonto offers seamless collaboration with your accountant, often including dedicated read-only access to your transactions and documents. This means faster month-end closing and fewer headaches. Depending on your plan, you also get a fixed number of sub-accounts with their own IBANs. These are invaluable for separating budgets, saving for VAT, or setting aside funds for different projects, giving you a crystal clear view of your cash flow. In short, a Qonto business account brings together your daily banking, expense management, team spending controls, and accounting preparation all into one secure, intuitive platform. It's designed to replace tedious admin work with smart automation, so you can focus on growing your business. Want to see how these features look in action? Hit that like button, and let us know what financial task takes up most of your time in the comments below.